Hey. Oh, you got a clicker.
Yeah, the clicker I got is the key that starts my car I don't have.
Okay, but it also opens the door, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm actually going to make the key off the door lock. So...
Okay, do you want me to lock it again?
No, you can leave it open. It doesn't matter. The only thing... You said it's a 03, right? It's a 2003, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, pick. Alright, let me, I have to cut 2 keys, a metal key and a chip key, so give me a few minutes, I'll cut it.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Alright. Cut it. Alright, we'll test this out. If it works, then we'll cut the chip key. There we go. Try it in the ignition. There's our security light. But it does turn, so let's go cut the next one. Alright, we're plugged into her car. We're going to start on this car with a metal key. First thing we have to do is read a password. Manual selection, North America, PT Chrysler, 01 to 05 bladed key. Alright, so we're going to read a password. We do need a metal key for this, and you absolutely have to remove the key when it tells you to, or it will fail. Alright, we're going to go to control unit, read immobilizer password. We're not going to dismantle, we're going to read it through the vehicle. Okay, off and on again. Okay, see when it says remove the key, you have to do that. And if you don't take it out, it will fail. Okay, now we're going to switch the ignition on with an unprogrammed chip key. So this one off, this one on. All right, we got our password. Press OK. She asked me to erase the other key, so we're going to do that first. Erase all keys, yes. We got our password. Erasing successful. Key learning. Ignition is on. Learning successful. Next key now. Alright, she's down to 1 key. This is the key. Security light is off. We're all set.